Durable function workflow or any code in general keeps evolving with time, and keeping a mermaid diagram, manually creating mermaid diagram and keeping it in sync with your code is hectic task. So here Durable-Viz comes helpful, and it is a tool for Lambda Durable Function, and it helps to visualize your workflow with the help of flowchart like this. So every time you make some changes to your code, you can just run npx Durable-Viz, then location of your handler, and then hyphen open, and it will create workflow like this. You can even commit this workflow file to your GitHub. So here I have this workflow for order processing, and let us create flowchart for it. So I pass the location, and if I open, here it created a flowchart for me where each durable step is visualized with green color, and this is the wait operation. So if we go here, this is the wait operation, and others are durable step. If we want, we can remove this hyphen open, and it will give us code for this workflow. This is mermaid diagram code. We can even copy and save it in some readme file.